Today, we embark on an exploration of one of the most fascinating and enduring aspects of ancient Greek culture, their pantheon of gods and goddesses. The Greek pantheon is far more than just a collection of deities. It is a rich tapestry woven with myths, beliefs, and cultural values that have profoundly influenced not only Greece, but also much of Western civilization. At its core, the ancient Greek pantheon is primarily composed of 12 major gods and goddesses, known as the Olympians, who were said to reside on the majestic Mount Olympus. While these 12 deities held significant importance, countless other lesser gods, goddesses, and mythical creatures populate Greek mythology, deepening its complexity and richness. Mythology was an essential aspect of ancient Greek life, offering explanations for natural phenomena, human behavior, and societal values. These myths often depict gods interacting with humans, imparting moral lessons, serving as entertainment, and providing insights into the world. Over time, these stories were recorded in texts, such as Hesiod's Theogony and Homer's Iliad and Odyssey, ensuring their preservation for future generations. Religious practices in ancient Greece included rituals, sacrifices, and festivals dedicated to the gods. Temples, such as the Parthenon dedicated to Athena, served not only as places of worship, but also as expressions of civic pride and identity. The pantheon of Greek gods has profoundly impacted art, literature, and philosophy throughout history. The themes of heroism, tragedy, love, and moral ambiguity found in Greek myths have inspired countless works in various forms, from classical sculpture to modern literature and film. Furthermore, the structure of the pantheon reflects the societal values of ancient Greece, emphasizing family ties, community, and the intricate dance between fate and free will. In conclusion, the ancient Greek pantheon represents far more than just a collection of deities. It embodies the values, beliefs, and cultural identity of an ancient civilization that continues to resonate today. As we delve deeper into the myths and stories associated with these gods and goddesses, we gain valuable insights into the human experience itself. I hope this introduction has sparked your interest in exploring the rich and captivating world of ancient Greek mythology.